Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Today, I'm here to share with you all my secret on how to get rid of unwanted facial hair permanently just using an egg. This is painless, simple and very easy. As I said before, you just need an egg. Now, take a clean bowl and take the egg white as shown in the video. We only need the egg white. Gently beat the egg using a fork. Now, take a compressed sheet mask and drop it into the egg white. If you don't have a compressed sheet mask, then you can also use tissues. Make it into pieces and soak them in the egg white, and you can simply put it onto your face. But I prefer the compressed sheet mask as it's very easy. You can find it in any beauty store or online very easily, and it's very cheap. Like you can get 50 sheets for like $3. So if you want to purchase it, the link is in the description box below. You can check them out. So after some time, the compressed mask will be completely soaked with the egg white. Now let me show you guys how to put it on. Simply take the sheet mask and place it onto your face as shown in the video. Make sure that your face is clean. Egg whites will not only remove your hair, but it also have astringent properties that help shrink pores by tightening the skin. This also removes blackheads and whiteheads and all the dirts from deep within the pores. Do this once a week for a month, and this will definitely reduce your facial hair permanently. Now you can pat the remaining egg white onto your face so that you won't waste it. Allow the mask to dry completely. This might take around 30 minutes. But you have to let it dry completely, otherwise it's not going to work. Now it's completely dry. Now start pulling your mask, starting from the chin towards your forehead as shown in the video. It is very important to start from the chin and not from the forehead. You should always pull it towards upward direction. Only then will it remove all the unwanted hair, blackheads and whiteheads. This is not painful at all, you guys. It doesn't pain at all, unlike the gelatin mask. And it is very powerful enough to pull out all the unwanted hair from your face. It will also make your face baby soft. I don't know if you guys can see the hair that's come off. I don't know if the camera is able to pick it up, but trust me guys, it's so satisfying to see this. You will definitely love the results. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your friends, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and also click on the bell button for the future video notifications. So thank you guys, love you, bye.